Hello kids! Today we will learn alphabet. Red, orange, yellow, green, violet, blue, A. Say with me. A. A for apple. B. Say with me. B. B for ball. C. Say with me. C. C for cat. D. Say with me. D. D for doll. E. Say with me. E. E for egg. F. Say with me. F. F for fish. G. Say with me. G. G for grape. H. Say with me. H. H for horse. I. Say with me. I. I for ice cream. J. Say with me. J. J for jacket. K. Say with me. K. K for king. L. Say with me. L. L for lion. M. Say with me. M. M for moon. N. Say with me. N. N for nut. O. Say with me. O. O for onion. P. Say with me. P. P for penguin. Q. Say with me. Q. Q for queen.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
R.
A, B, C, D, E, F,
Say with me.
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O,
R.
Q, R, S, T, U,
R
V,
for
W, X, Y, and
rabbit.
Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
S. Say with me. S. S for sheep. T.
C, D, E, F, G,
Say with me.
H, I, J, K,
T.
L, M, N, O, P, Q,
T
R,
for
S, T, U, V,
tiger.
W, X, Y, and Z. Now
U.
I know my ABCs. Next
Say
time,
with
won't
me.
you sing with me?
U. U for umbrella.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I,
V.
J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q,
Say
R,
with
S,
me.
T, U, V,
V.
W, X, Y, and Z.
V for
Now I know my
bag.
ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
W. Say with me. W. W for water. X. Say with me. X.
Old MacDonald
X
had a
for
farm,
xylophone.
E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow,
Y.
E-I-E-I-O. With a
Say with
here
me.
and a there,
Y.
there, everywhere.
Y for
MacDonald had
here.
a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Z. Say with me. Z.
MacDonald had a farm,
Z for
E-I-E-I-O.
zoo. Subscribe for more videos.